Hey everyone, Julio here with JZ Digital. Today, I'm gonna be replacing the boot off of my spark plug cable. The 450 has been running a little rough. Every now and then it wants to bog out. I've looked for every other reason why it would do that. The other day I went to pull the spark plug and this happened. This broke clean off the end of this. So I was probably getting some water in here in that part. It broke off too easy. Now I just went to my local Can-Am dealer and just picked up another part. I thought I could go get the whole thing of this, but they said it was not necessary. All I had to do was replace it with the boot. So we're gonna put it together and see how it runs with it. I'm gonna go ahead and change the spark plug. I had already ordered one of those, so I'm gonna change the spark plug and I'm gonna replace the boot, and we'll see how she runs then. The spark plug for the Can-Am 450 is gonna be it's an NGK spark plug. It's very, very long. I think I got it off of Amazon. I'll try to remember to put the description below. But yeah, LMAR 8 and then D-J. So I'm gonna take the old one off, put this one on, and we'll see how she runs. And for those who are wondering where the spark plug is, you're gonna have to remove this plastic here that went here. And you could remove this one and get to it easier, but it's gonna be right behind this heat shield. I would recommend leaving it on there because last time I had a pain in the butt getting that bolt. There's a bolt way up there. So just go ahead and leave that in there and we'll get to the rest. All right, so this might have been the reason it's been idling or running rough. Not quite sure how that got that like that, but good thing we're gonna be putting a brand new one on there. All right, so the guy at the Can-Am store said just put this in here, just slide it in and twist it. Seems to be tight. All right, I saw a zip tie on the other one, so I'm just gonna put another zip tie on this one, try to tighten it as best I can. Seems to be pretty tight. So I'm gonna cut the zip tie and we're gonna start it up and see what happens. All right, let's fire it up and see what she does. Probably gonna let her warm up a little bit. All right guys, so she seems to be running fine after we changed the spark plug, after we changed the wire, the boot, and we'll see how she performs. We're gonna go to Busco on Saturday, February the 13th. So if you guys are watching this video and want to go and hang out with us, ride with us, you know, do some full sends, I'm gonna try to take it a little bit easy for now on this one, because it's the only one we got right now. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I've been thinking of changing the name of the channel to Max ATV. I got another channel named Max ATV. I don't know if I should just go ahead and start recording all my ATV stuff on that channel and leave JZ Digital. I'll put the link up on the screen, and if you guys want to go and subscribe to that channel and we can make that the ATV channel, I think it'll be a lot easier for people to find. Yeah, just let me know what you guys think, and we will catch you guys at Busco Beach on the next video. It's gonna be pretty good. Hopefully it won't rain or snow or whatever they're calling for, rain and snow here. So hopefully it'll be good enough to go to Busco. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Come on. I appreciate all your support. I've got over 300 right now. Let's make it to 1,000. We're gonna do a giveaway after we hit 1,000 subscribers. So I've got some treats for you guys. I've got another toe strap. Somebody asked me about some toe straps. I got a toe strap, and I've got a shirt and maybe a hat I'll give away. So if you guys want to be in the drawing, just stay tuned to our channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Also, go ahead and share this so we can get to 1,000. The sooner we get to 1,000, the sooner I'll do the giveaway. All right, guys, and until next time, this is Julio. Peace out.